Y'all gonna go ahead and catch a ride. Borderlands 3 just got announced recently. They dropped a small trailer for it. We're gonna give you the good, the bad, the ugly in this ignorant game review.
So these ignorant game reviews we're going to be doing are based on anything that we've seen,
Heard,
but have not actually played. The goods
good.
we have.
The guns. Got a billion guns.
At least a billion guns. So
Elemental shooting guns. They have legs. Tons of guns.
Maybe some new elements. Who knows? But
It's
lots of guns.
Next, characters. You got one lady with like 6 arms. The characters are going to be great. It's a Gearbox game, so the storyline's fantastic.
Borderlands humor and characters that we all love. And then lastly, for the goods, we have the 4K graphics.
So it's going to look fantastic.
It's also going to look like, again, classic Borderlands. The same cell shading and all that stuff, but it's going to have lots of detail in the graphics.
Paired with good lipstick. It's 4-player co-op now.
4-player co-op, that's pretty good.
Yeah. Now, to the bad.
The
guns.
The guns again.
If they have a billion guns. That means 5 million of them are going to do the same thing as the other ones, just slightly stronger.
Right. It's all going to be very slightly different.
It's like a million of one gun, different stats.
Whenever you have a billion of something, it's going to be hard for all of them to be different.
Also, on the bad side, it's not on the Nintendo Switch.
Not on the Nintendo Switch.
Not coming to the handheld console.
Nintendo's got its own things going on.
Nintendo
Borderlands.
can't do 4K.
And they can't do 4K. So they're going to focus on their thing, while Borderlands is spread out to probably all the other consoles as well.
And then we got the ugly. Which, when we say ugly, it's things that could go wrong.
The first thing that we have is the characters' powers and things like that. So I think they're going to have more playable characters.
I don't.
But just like with the other games, there are certain characters that where their powers are going to be really great. I was Sirens. I always play.
I was the Siren in 2.
And then there's always characters that kind of lack everything.
Zero was trash in 2.
They're going to have the same problem with this game, in that there's going to be some characters that are top tier, fun to use, fun powers, powerful characters.
Some that are just
and some that are going to be
lame.
bottom of the barrel.
The villains. It's hard to top a villain like Handsome Jack, so these villains are probably going to fall a little short from what we're expecting. I'm expecting them to be sad about something.
Like Donnie said, it's going to be hard to top a character like Handsome Jack. He was funny. He was evil, charismatic.
Still
evil to the bone. Fun villain to have. Those are our good, bad, and ugly thoughts about the game.
And overall,
and just for kickers, we're going to give it a rating. I think this is going to be a fantastic game. We're going to go 1 to 5 scale. That helps us to condense it. I'm going to say 4.5.
So you still wouldn't have gave it a 10.
It's because there are some points where it's not going to hit home all the way.
I'm going to give it a 4. Solid 4. It's going to be good. It won't be perfect. Probably play it twice. Won't go back for a 3rd time.
Yeah. That was one thing I liked about the other games. I played Borderlands 2 twice through by myself. That's how fun it was. Same. It was good.
But I wouldn't do it a 3rd time.
So hopefully, with these billion guns and these characters and these worlds, we'll be able to have the multiplayer throughs with this one as well, whether you're doing multiplayer or single player.
But hey, that's just our ignorance coming through for the game.
That's us.
Comment down below. What do you think of Borderlands 3 with the trailer stuff they showed us? Hype? What are you worried about? We want it all. Good, bad, and the ugly.
Yep, let us know. And again, don't forget to like, subscribe, share, comment.
Do everything.
And as always, never forget your phone,
your wallet,
or your games.
'Cause we out.